Hey, what is up guys? NYAverageOG here, and today we're going to show you how to list items on eBay and get those sales quickly. Okay? This will be a step-by-step guide on how to list on eBay for beginners. Alright? So let's hop right into it. Follow me. Alright guys, so anyone can list an item on eBay. It's not that hard. I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do that. But what I want to do here is show you how to do it effectively so you're getting constant eBay sales and that you can grow your eBay business and become super profitable in a short period of time. That's what we're all about here, guys. We're selling on eBay, not as a hobbyist, but as a professional. So we're trying to make that money. So without further ado, let's get into 3 different products that you might run into on your eBay journey. Alright guys, here's 3 products that I'm selling currently that I'll show you how to list today. Alright guys, like always, you're going to want a clean workspace to work from, and you're going to want to get your products ready, available to list. Alright, so I have my 3 products here that I'll be listing today, and yeah, so what do we got here? We have a Bulbasaur Celebrations 25th Anniversary Funko Pop. Alright, these are really easy to ship and they usually give me about $5 to $10 profit. Then we have a retro Spider-Man toy here, Marvel Comics. This was $22.99. I'm expecting to sell it for $42.95 and gain a $7 to $8 profit. And I have 2 of those. So what's really nice, guys, if you're a toy seller like me, you can find multiple of the same item. Like this one, I found 2. So I will just list one of them and have the quantity as 2. So it makes it super simple if you have bulk items such as toys or brand new items. And then this one here is a special one, alright? I've been selling these for a while, and I sell it as a set. So sometimes certain collectibles or items are better sold as a set. 1, to save on shipping costs, and 2, because people want the entire set. They don't want just one, because it's a lot more expensive for them to buy one of each for $30, $30, $30, $30 than to buy the whole thing for $99.99. Okay, so I'll be selling this as a set, and I'll show you exactly how to differentiate a single listing from a set, because sometimes you're not going to be able to find a set of these that have already sold. So we'll get into that, don't worry. Right now, all I want you to do is get your products and set them aside in an organized manner out of your listing station so that you can have a clean workspace to list your items on. So we're going to go ahead and move all these products away from our photographing spots. So just out of the way. Okay. And now, as on eBay, you need to be competitive with your photographs. So right here is my photo booth. Nothing special, guys. It's just 2 light bars from Walmart that I bought for $10 each. And I just point them down at the table. And this is a black Costco table. That will be my background, so if you can see. So for an example picture, it'd be like this. So just like that, I would snap the picture and boom. It has a nice flush black background to bring out the contrast of the item. What, baby? Oh, she wants to play. Okay. Well, so it has a black contrasted background to bring out the color of the item. So that's what I like, and it just works for me because this already doubles as a shipping station, so it works out really well. However, some people like to use a white background and then use a background remover so that it's just the product. It looks professional as well, but it's a lot more time consuming, and I've sold a lot of products, so I know exactly that this background type works. Alright guys, so you don't have to be perfect, guys. I started on a wooden stool, and that's where I took pictures. And you don't need perfect lighting or anything. If you do have a window nearby and it's daytime, open that up, open that bad boy up so you can get some natural light on your product. And some people, if they do clothes or hats or anything like that, they will actually take the pictures outside on a carpet that's laid out on the ground. Okay, I don't sell clothes or anything like that. I just sell toys, so this is the perfect photographing spot for me. Alright guys, no more time on the photographs. Let's get right into listing our first item. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your smartphone, install the eBay app, and go ahead and open that bad boy up as seen on screen. Then you're going to want to go over to Home, and then at the search bar, you're going to search, click the scan tool, and then you're going to scan one of your items, okay? Let's start with one of these. So we're going to scan the barcode of the item. That's going to bring up the item in the eBay search. And then from there, we can actually type in set of 4. And then boom, there we go. We have the set of 4 Ninja Turtles. Okay, and then to see how much a product is selling for, because we're going to want to reference, have a price reference so that we know what to price our item at, we're going to go over to Filter, Show More, scroll down, go to Sold Items, and then Show 11 Results. Okay, so now you can see all the results of these turtles being sold in the last 30 to 90 days. All we're going to do from there is we're going to click one of the listings, and then we're going to do sell one like this. Alright, and then boom, everything's pretty much filled out for us from there. Now we need to take our own photos. So don't get too concerned about all this stuff that's going on here. We're going to go step by step. So first step is photos at the top here. So we're going to go to edit photos. We're going to click the plus icon on our phone. Click the little camera logo. And then now we're going to take our photo. So as you can see, we're going to zoom out. Get a good photo of the 4 items, and then we're going to take a photo of each one. I like to take as many photos as I can, but not too much to the point where it's just wasting my own time. So now we're going to take a photo of each item to show the individual packaging. Alright, so we're just going to place in front, photo, boom, just like that. Place in front, photo, boom. No cropping, nothing is necessary. It's all in frame. Okay, so once you have them all photographed, I'm actually going to take pictures of the backs too. So boom, boom. Alright guys, so moving on, I actually have a product here I picked up from the good old Goodwill for $3. Sorry, I have a dry mouth right now. But I picked this board game up for $3 at Goodwill, and it's opened, it's used, there's no barcode on it. What the heck am I going to do with this? How am I going to sell this bad boy? Well, first off, you need to watch my video on how to remove any sticker on products. Link in the description for that video. How to remove these nasty stickers from products without damaging the products. Alright, let's get that sticker removed real quick, and then I'll show you how to list something like this that doesn't have a barcode to scan. Alright, just like that guys, the sticker is removed, no residue or anything. I did nick it a tiny bit. That's my fault, I wasn't taking my time. But, like I said, you can watch my other video for how to do that. It's pretty easy. But yeah, so let's get into this. So, we don't even know if this like has all the pieces or anything. This is pretty old. It has like an old Star Trek book, like the original book. It might be written in. It has a blueprint, has a pencil. Like, this is just a weird one. So usually I don't mess around with stuff like this, but I think it was worth like 30 or 40 bucks, so I picked it up. So let's actually find this listing on eBay. So let's get over to my phone here, and we're gonna find it on eBay here. Okay, so boom. Okay, and to find it here, we're just going to type it in the search bar. All the information that we have in front of us. Since there's no barcode to look it up, we're going to type in keywords to try to look this thing up. And as you can see, right here is the listing. And I already went ahead and completed the listing. I'll show you what it would look like for this kind of product. So let's go to revise real quick. Like I said, this is my listing right here, so we're just gonna go in and show you what I would do for an item like this. So here are the pictures, pretty solid pictures, just showing all the contents and the front and back of the thing. Then I went and added the title. So the main 5 words are Star Trek role-playing game, 1983, FASA First Edition box set. All right, 5 to 7 words up front that are meaningful. I can go ahead and add some more item specifics here, but I'll do that later. I don't want to bore you guys, so just go through and step by step, like the last listing, you're going to want to check each check mark and make sure the photos, title, item specifics, category, description, pricing, delivery, and everything is all set to go. So I'm not going to go crazy here. You guys know what you're doing now. You guys are almost on your way to be experts. So make that description, especially since it's a used item. You're going to want to set a description of the overall quality and any discrepancies that you may need to note. Okay, so I did that there. I have it listed for $29.99, and I have offers available on this product because it is a used item and I am not sure of the exact price it's going to sell for, so I'm willing to negotiate offers. Plus I got it for $3, so there's plenty of room. Free shipping, as always. It just benefits you because you'll get sales faster. And then the standard promoted listings rate, I just use the recommended rate of 2.1%, and we're going to go ahead and list that item. Alright guys, so just like that, pretty easy. This was a very odd object, or product I mean, and usually they're a lot easier. So let's go on and upload one last product, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. And for our last product in this video, we're going to upload this Bulbasaur 25th anniversary Funko Pop on eBay. So just like before, you're going to type in or scan the barcode of the item. If you're selling brand new items, most will have a barcode. You're going to find that item here, and you're going to sell one like this. Okay, I'm going into my own listing because I already listed these. But you know, you'll just do sell one like this, and you'll go through each step: photos, title, item specifics, category, description, pricing, and delivery. Guys, it's super simple. I don't think I need to go any more in depth than that. Make sure you have solid photos and a very pleasant title that's going to get those keywords in the first 5 words of the title, and you'll be just fine. That's pretty much all there is to listing. There's not much more I can go over. There's obviously some tips and tricks on how to optimize your listings and make them sell super quick. And that's our aim here. So in future videos, we'll go more in depth on this topic and get more advanced with it. But right now, this is a beginner's guide on how to list on eBay. Most beginners will have a cell phone that they can use to list. But these listing metrics still apply on PC as well. You just go through the same steps as before and you'll be all set. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and peace out. Stay OG.